Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a bank account to Luno. If you want to withdraw money from your Luno account to your bank, you first need to add your bank account to Luno. The process only takes a few minutes, but there are a few important requirements you should know before you begin. I'll walk you through. So it's important for you to note that you can only add a bank account that is registered in your own name. Luno does not allow withdrawals to someone else's personal bank account. So go ahead and launch the Luno app on your phone. Sign in using your account credentials. Before you can link a bank account, your Luno account must be fully verified. So if you haven't completed identity verification, here is what you should do. Tap on your profile name at the top of the screen, tap on account and settings, head over to verification and complete the verification process. So once that is verified, the next thing to do is to tap portfolio, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you will see all your cryptocurrency wallets, and if supported in your country, your local currency wallet. So what you're going to have to do is to tap your local currency wallet. Depending on your country, this could be NGN, ZAR, GBP, whatever it is. Tap on that wallet. Now, inside your local currency wallet, just go ahead and tap withdraw. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, Luno will prompt you to add one. Now, on the withdrawal screen, tap Add New Bank Details. This opens the form where you enter your banking information. So fill in all the required banking details exactly as requested. The information required may vary by country, but typically includes your bank name, your account number, your account holder's name, and any other banking information requested by Luno. To double check every detail before continuing, because incorrect information could delay or prevent successful withdrawals. After entering all your bank details, tap Next. Luno will review the information you've entered before moving to the confirmation screen. Luno will display a confirmation message asking you to verify ownership of the account. Carefully read the confirmation, then confirm that the bank account belongs to you, that the details you've entered are correct. Once confirmed, your bank account will be linked to your Luno account. So your linked bank account is now available for withdrawals, but whenever you want to withdraw money, you can follow through the process to withdraw. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. Remember, if you do not see the withdraw button, you will see the send button. It's pretty much the same thing. So go ahead and click on it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the search. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.